What if I told you that earning $100,000 in 1 year isn't just a dream? It's something you can achieve by making a single shift in how you think. You see, most people spend their lives chasing money, working harder, sacrificing their time, and still falling short of their financial goals. But what if the problem isn't your hard work? What if the real obstacle is the way you're programming your mind to attract or repel wealth? Today, I'm going to share with you a little-known law of attraction trick that has transformed the lives of thousands of people. It's a simple, powerful method that works even if you've never used the law of attraction before. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to align your thoughts, actions, and beliefs so perfectly with your financial goals that earning $100,000 in the next year becomes not just possible, but inevitable. Stay with me, because this isn't just another generic, think positive, pep talk. This is about unlocking a hidden power you already have, tapping into a secret most people overlook. And once you know how to use it, everything changes. Are you ready to discover what's been holding you back and how to change it starting today? Let's dive in. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money effortlessly while others work tirelessly and still struggle to make ends meet? The truth is, the problem isn't their job, their education, or even the economy. It's their mindset. Most people unknowingly operate from a scarcity mindset, a deep-rooted belief that there's never enough. They think thoughts like, "I can't afford this," "making money is hard," or "I'm just not lucky with finances." These thoughts create a mental block, making it almost impossible for them to see or seize opportunities for wealth. Here's the thing. Your mind is like a magnet, constantly attracting circumstances that align with your beliefs. If you believe money is scarce or hard to come by, you'll unconsciously act in ways that reinforce that belief. You might hesitate to ask for a raise, avoid learning new skills, or ignore opportunities that could lead to financial growth, all because your inner narrative says it won't work out. Take a moment to think about this. If your mind is stuck in survival mode, focused only on avoiding loss, how can it ever open up to abundance? It's like planting a garden but constantly pulling out the seeds because you're afraid they won't grow. To attract money, you first need to recognize and release these limiting beliefs. Once you do, you'll start seeing the possibilities that were hidden in plain sight. So, the first step to making $100,000 isn't about working harder. It's about transforming how you think about wealth. Now, let's dive into the secret that can completely shift your financial reality: financial identity visualization. Most people use the law of attraction in a way that barely scratches the surface. They focus on visualizing money itself, seeing stacks of cash, imagining checks in the mail, or repeating vague affirmations like, "I am rich." But here's the truth. Visualizing money alone won't get you far. Why? Because it doesn't change how you see yourself. The real magic happens when you align your self-image with the person who naturally attracts and earns $100,000 a year. Think about it. Someone making that kind of money carries themselves differently. They think, act, and make decisions with confidence, clarity, and a sense of worthiness. They don't just wish for wealth. They believe it's a natural part of who they are. If your current self-image is tied to struggle or scarcity, even the best opportunities will slip through your fingers because, deep down, you won't believe you're the type of person who deserves or can handle that success. Here's how financial identity visualization works. Instead of just picturing money, you visualize yourself as the person who already earns $100,000 a year. Close your eyes and imagine. What does your daily life look like? How do you dress? How do you speak? What choices do you make? You're no longer just someone dreaming of financial success. You're stepping into the identity of someone who already has it. Here's a simple exercise. Every morning, spend 5 minutes visualizing your $100,000 self. See yourself confident, focused, and making decisions from a place of abundance. As you do this, you're reprogramming your subconscious mind to align with this new reality. You'll begin to notice shifts, subtle at first, but undeniable over time. You'll see opportunities you previously overlooked, attract people who can help you, and feel motivated to take the actions that align with your vision. This is the trick most people miss, and it's the key to unlocking the life you desire. Now that you understand the power of aligning your self-image with wealth, it's time to take things a step further by creating your $100,000 financial blueprint. Think of this as a personalized roadmap that connects your mindset to actionable steps, ensuring you not only think like a six-figure earner, but start living like one too. The truth is, no one builds wealth by accident. Behind every successful person is a clear vision and a solid plan, and now you're going to create yours. The first step is to define your financial identity in writing. Grab a pen and paper and craft a statement that reflects the person you're becoming. For example, write, "I am a $100,000 earner who attracts opportunities, makes wise financial decisions, and creates value in everything I do." By putting this on paper, you're giving your subconscious mind clear instructions about who you are. Place this statement somewhere you'll see it daily, like on your bathroom mirror or as a note on your phone. Next, visualize the life that comes with this identity. Take a moment each day to picture what $100,000 a year looks like for you. Where do you live? How do you spend your time? What kind of decisions do you make? Be as specific as possible. Your mind thrives on clarity. For instance, imagine walking into a store and confidently buying what you need without worrying about the price, or investing in opportunities that align with your goals. The more vivid this vision, the more it imprints on your subconscious, guiding your actions toward it. Finally, identify and replace any limiting beliefs that conflict with your new identity. If you catch yourself thinking, "This isn't realistic," or "I'm not smart enough to earn that much," challenge those thoughts immediately. Replace them with affirmations like, "I have everything I need to succeed," or "Opportunities flow to me because I create value." Remember, your beliefs shape your results. If you believe in scarcity, that's what you'll see. If you believe in abundance, your actions will align with that belief, and your reality will shift. By defining your financial identity, visualizing your life as a $100,000 earner, and removing mental blocks, you're creating a powerful blueprint for success. This isn't just about dreaming. It's about reprogramming your mind and setting the stage for your next level of financial abundance. Stick to this process, and you'll be amazed at how quickly things begin to change. One of the biggest reasons people struggle to achieve financial success isn't lack of effort or talent. It's the mental blocks they carry, often without even realizing it. These blocks are like invisible walls that keep you stuck in the same patterns, no matter how hard you try to move forward. They show up as fear of failure, guilt about wanting more money, or the belief that you don't deserve wealth. Let's address these blocks head-on, because until you remove them, they'll keep sabotaging your progress. Start by identifying the thoughts that hold you back. Have you ever caught yourself thinking, "I'm not good with money," "I don't have what it takes," or "people like me never get rich"? These aren't harmless passing thoughts. They're programs running in your subconscious mind, influencing your decisions and limiting your potential. The key is to challenge and rewrite them. Instead of saying, "I'm bad with money," affirm, "I'm learning to manage my finances with confidence." Instead of, "I don't deserve this," say, "I am worthy of every success I achieve." These small shifts in language begin to break the cycle of self-doubt. Another common block is the fear of failure. Many people hesitate to take risks or pursue big goals because they're afraid of what might go wrong. But here's the truth. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone to it. Every successful person has failed at some point, but they didn't let it stop them. Instead, they saw it as a lesson, adjusted their approach, and kept going. To overcome this fear, remind yourself that every setback is temporary, and each one brings you closer to your goal if you're willing to learn from it. Lastly, let's address guilt. Some people feel ashamed about wanting wealth because they've been taught that money is greedy or selfish. But here's the reality. Money is a tool. It amplifies who you already are. If you're a generous, kind-hearted person, wealth allows you to create an even bigger impact, whether that's taking care of your family, supporting causes you care about, or building a better life for yourself and others. Let go of the guilt and embrace the truth. Wanting financial success isn't selfish, it's empowering. When you actively work to identify and dismantle these mental blocks, you'll find that the path to success becomes clearer and easier to navigate. Your mindset is the foundation of everything you achieve, and once you free it from these limitations, there's nothing holding you back. While visualization and belief are essential, they are only part of the equation. The law of attraction works best when combined with something just as powerful: taking inspired action. This is where many people get stuck. They focus on imagining their dream life, but never take the steps needed to bring it into reality. Remember, the universe can only guide you toward opportunities. It's your job to recognize them and act. Taking inspired action is different from working hard for the sake of it. It's about listening to your intuition, recognizing the nudges the universe gives you, and moving forward with confidence. For example, you might suddenly feel drawn to read a specific book, reach out to someone in your network, or explore a new business idea. These impulses aren't random. They're your subconscious responding to your intentions and guiding you toward what you visualized. But here's the catch. Many people ignore these nudges because they don't trust themselves or fear stepping out of their comfort zones. Think about it. How often have you had an idea or an opportunity but talked yourself out of it? Maybe you thought, it's not the right time. Or what if I fail? This hesitation is one of the biggest reasons people stay stuck. To break this cycle, commit to acting on these impulses, even if they seem small or uncertain. Inspired action also means staying open to learning and growth. If your $100,000 self is someone who takes calculated risks, invests in themselves, or develops new skills, ask yourself, what can I do today to move closer to that version of me? It could be something as simple as signing up for a course, reaching out to a mentor, or dedicating an hour to refining a skill. These actions may seem small in the moment, but over time, they compound into massive results. Most importantly, don't wait for everything to be perfect before you act. Clarity often comes through movement. As you take steps, new opportunities and ideas will unfold that you couldn't see from the starting line. Trust that even small actions, taken consistently and with the right mindset, will lead you toward your goal. The universe responds to energy in motion. By taking inspired action, you're signaling that you're serious about achieving your goals, and you'll be amazed at how doors start to open. The key is to trust yourself, act on your intuition, and keep moving forward, one step at a time. As you work toward your $100,000 goal, one of the most important habits you can develop is tracking your progress and celebrating your wins. Too often, people get so focused on the end result that they overlook the small victories along the way. But here's the truth. Success isn't just about hitting the big milestone. It's about acknowledging the growth and momentum that lead you there. Start by creating a simple system to track your progress. This could be a journal, a spreadsheet, or even a note on your phone. Write down any actions you've taken, breakthroughs you've had, or opportunities that have come your way. For example, if you landed a new client, increased your savings, or learned a valuable skill, document it. Seeing these small wins in black and white will remind you that you're moving in the right direction, even if the results aren't immediate. Equally important is taking time to celebrate your accomplishments. When you hit a milestone, big or small, pause to acknowledge it. Maybe you earned your first $1,000 from a side hustle or overcame a mental block that's held you back for years. Celebrate these moments, because they reinforce the belief that you're capable of achieving your larger goal. This doesn't mean you need to throw a party every time. Sometimes, it's as simple as treating yourself to something you enjoy or taking a moment to reflect on how far you've come. Gratitude also plays a powerful role here. By expressing gratitude for your progress, you're signaling to the universe that you appreciate what you've already received, which opens the door for even more abundance. Every time you celebrate a win, no matter how small, you're strengthening your mindset, boosting your confidence, and creating positive momentum toward your $100,000 goal. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Tracking your progress and celebrating along the way keeps you motivated, focused, and excited about what's next. Each step forward is proof that you're becoming the person you've envisioned. someone who attracts wealth and lives in alignment with their financial dreams. Keep going. You're closer than you think. Now that you've learned how to align your mindset, take inspired action, and remove the mental blocks holding you back, it's time to step into the life you've been dreaming of. Remember, the key to earning $100,000 in 1 year isn't about waiting for the perfect opportunity. It's about becoming the person who naturally attracts and creates that kind of wealth. You've already taken the most important step by deciding to change the way you think about money and success. But here's the truth. Knowledge alone won't get you there. The real transformation happens when you apply what you've learned. Start today by creating your financial blueprint, practicing financial identity visualization, and acting on those intuitive nudges that guide you toward your goals. Every small step you take builds momentum, and before you know it, you'll see opportunities unfolding that once felt out of reach. If this resonated with you, don't let it stop here. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it, because abundance grows when we help others grow. Hit the like button to let me know you're ready to take action, and leave a comment below sharing your first step toward achieving $100,000 this year. Your journey to wealth begins with a decision to believe in yourself and take the steps to make it happen. Don't wait for another day to pass you by. Start now, and let's create the life you deserve. The future is yours to design.